How to fix iPhone keeps turning on and off. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone repeatedly restarts by itself, then it might be because of the boot loop, which can be caused by a software glitch or corrupt update, or it can also be caused by low battery or bad connection, or it might be due to app or iOS crash or hardware issues such as battery, logic board, etc. So in order to fix this, first things first, you can try to force restart your iPhone. This will clear temporary software bugs without deleting anything. So simply press and hold the volume up button and then press and hold the volume down button and then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, your iPhone will reboot. After reboot, check if it stays on, and if it is still in the loop option, then go ahead and charge your phone properly. Sometimes your iPhone reboots because it does not get stable power, so make sure you are using a certified charger and cable. Also, make sure to charge for at least 30 minutes and make sure to avoid power banks or laptop USB ports. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then check for app or settings triggers. If your iPhone boots normally after updating, then you can go ahead and delete any app that you installed right before the problem began. Also, launch the settings application and tap on battery and then on battery health and charging. Make sure that a failing battery can trigger restarts. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then on background app refresh, and then go ahead and disable background app refresh for the time being. Also, in general again, tap on iPhone storage and make sure your storage is not full. And if none of the above work, the cause might be failing battery or faulty power management IC or water damage. So you can take your phone to Apple or an authorized repair shop and they will diagnose the issue and repair it for you. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone keeps turning on and off. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.